Hey y'all, welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Brittany, and if this is your first time stumbling across one of my videos, I focus on fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle, hair, fragrances, and girl, whatever else I feel like talking about. So if that seems like something that you may be interested in, please think about clicking on that subscribe button if you enjoy the content, of course. Also, if you're already a subscriber, go ahead and click on that notification bell. I usually upload Tuesdays, Thursdays, sometimes Sundays, but lately my schedule has been so off. There's been so many things going on, you guys. Some great things, some weird things, bad things. Yeah, so you know how it is. It's life. But yeah, I would really appreciate if you guys clicked on that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video, so you won't miss any of my videos, okay? So as I mentioned, this video is going to be a vlog, and in this vlog I'm going to be sharing with you guys my new hair. As you can see, I'm sporting a part on the side. Girl, I'm sporting a new color. It's giving ginger, okay? You might as well just call me Ginger Spice, because I think I'm converted. And I'm super excited because this video is sponsored by TCC Hair. I have worked with TCC Hair a few times in the past. Some of your favorite units on me are from TCC Hair, like my blonde unit that you guys always ask me about, and also my jet black part down the middle long unit. That's from TCC Hair as well. She has amazing units, and I love the fact that when you get the units like right out of the package, or like let's say if you go into her studio and you purchase, or if you order them online, they come to you already like styled, plucked, colored, all the things, and I'm going to show you guys that today. So before we get started, y'all, I wanted to share with you guys some specs about this hair. Okay, y'all, so this is the autumn unit from TCC Hair, and this is how it comes right out of the package. As you can see, the knots have been bleached. She also has that ball cap method in there and an elastic band. I love the fact that hers has like a little grip on the back, so it really stays in place, and you'll get a TCC Hair bag. So anytime I get a new unit, I like to try the unit on with the lace still attached just to see how it fits and how I like the unit. So as you can see, this unit is ready to go. It still has the curls and everything in it. The knots are bleached to perfection, and the lace on this one is really thin, you guys. So it really does blend in well. You can always put like a little bit of makeup if you're a little darker. I did end up doing that the second time around when I installed this. But as you can see, if you just put that elastic band on, like you're just ready to go. Like it's already styled. It's ready. Like you're ready to hit it. So I absolutely love this unit, as you can see. I also just shifted the wig to the side. I just wanted to see how it was look with the side part. I liked it, but I couldn't really decide, so I just left it as is. But as you can see, super easy. So before we get started on this vlog, I kind of wanted to talk you guys through this a little bit so you're not confused about the hair and like when I installed and all of that. Because you'll see in the video, my hair was a little bit different. Okay, let me explain. So I received this unit from TCC Hair about a week and a half ago, and I installed it. I actually used glue this time because I knew I was going to Atlanta. It's super hot, and I just didn't want to have to worry about it sliding back. Her units do come so like well fitted, and you can use the elastic band, so you really don't have to adhere them down at all, or even use the got to be glue. But because this unit is so light and the lace is light, I have, you know, baby hairs and things like that. So I didn't want my black baby hairs showing through and the wig slipping back and, you know, all the things. It's just, it would have been too much. So I went ahead and used Bold Hold to glue this down this time, okay? So I'm going to show you guys this install. However, when I first show you guys the clips that we're going to move on to, it's going to be the unit right outside of the package, okay? And she gives you the cutest little bag. I mean, everything comes super well packaged and all of that. So I'm going to show you the unit right outside of the package. Like I said, it comes styled, knots are bleached, curled, all the things. However you see it on the website is how you will receive it. But of course, through traveling and all of that, something happened to the actual install clip of me gluing this unit down. So you'll just see me kind of like pulling it out, kind of like, you know, seeing how the unit fits me before adhering it down, and then you won't see me adhering it down. So what I decided to do was when I got back, I decided to wash the hair and reinstall it, and that's why you now see me wearing a part on the side. I figured if I'm going to redo it, I might as well give myself a new look, because you guys know I get bored super easy, but I'm loving this color. So I washed the hair last night, I let it air dry, and I reapplied it using glue as well. I did not want to use glue this time since I'm back home, but because I did it the first time, I just kind of wanted you guys to see that process, okay? Because I haven't glued a unit down in a very long time. So that's what you're going to be seeing in this video. It's going to show the beginning of me showing you the unit right outside the package. I'm then going to skip to like a week and a half later and install it today. This is today, and then I'll actually just style it up for you guys like this. And then, so just in case, you know, you guys are confused, like, oh, she started out with a part in the middle, now she has a part on the side. Girl, it's been a whole week and a half later. So when it's time for me to come back for my final thoughts, that way I can actually give you guys a full review on the hair, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, so we're back to the beginning of the video. I know this is confusing, I'm so sorry, but right now I'm just trying on the unit, and this is right outside of the packaging. And of course, you know, you have to try on the unit once you cut that lace off, just to make sure you don't need to adjust it or cut off any additional lace from your ear tabs. Of course, I'm just trying to see how I like it, if I need to add some makeup or anything to the lace, you know, just making sure it's right. Now, before we move into the new install, I just wanted to show you guys how the hair looked while it was in a part in the middle, which I loved. I absolutely loved it. But of course, it's time to switch it up now. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and fast forward to me applying this unit. And again, this has been over a week, and I've washed and conditioned the hair. I let it air dry, and I'm just applying the bold hold tape, and I use a rat tail comb to kind of spread that out. I do put this above my hairline, but when you remove this glue, just make sure you are using an adhesive remover, just to make sure you are not pulling out your hair, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and play some music and speed this up so you guys can see the full install.
Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, girls, them are random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'm a risk it. I'm a risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that come she jeje. No, they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette.
Okay guys, so of course I went ahead and tied my hair down just to allow the lace to kind of melt into my skin. I only gave it about 10 minutes because I really needed to get started on styling this hair. And right now I just wanted to show you guys the length. This is 22 inches long and the unit is 150% density. So it is like the perfect length and the perfect density. So right now I'm just kind of playing around with the lace. As you can see, I did decide to go with a side part, and you kind of do need to mold that, but I didn't have much time, so I'm just going to take a little bit of mousse and apply it on the hair just to lay it down a little bit more, just in that parting area. And we're going to go ahead and get started with curling.
I know one boy need your money, Germany, them they feel you from London to SA. We can do it my way, baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel ya. If I know you do, I'ma go talk up. Baby, you rock on. No need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dago, body. I know it. I just gotta tell you what's in my mind, you gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it tight. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me.
Okay, y'all, so now that you have seen the full install and all the things about this hair, I just kind of wanted to update you all. This hair is so soft, so manageable, so easy to work with. Of course, I've had other units from her before, same difference, you know, but she would install the unit for me and she would sew it down for me. So this time installing it myself, it was just as easy, just as simple. And one thing about her hair, you guys, it is so freaking soft. It takes no time to curl this hair. Like once you get it molded and down and however you like it, when you curl the hair, I mean, it takes no more than about 8 to 10 minutes and you look flawless. Like she plucks the units to perfection. The color is amazing. You can see like the highlights. Look how soft and shiny. There's absolutely no product in this hair whatsoever. Okay, literally washed, conditioned, and air dried, and this is what the hair is looking like. Super healthy. I'm not sure about the processing and all of that. That's what we pay Carissa for, to do it for us. But the hair is so soft, no tangling, no shedding. You guys, highly recommend. Please check out TCC Hair. I will have all of her information down in the description box below. Like I said, she's also a hairstylist, so if you are in the Nashville area, you can go ahead and book an appointment with her as well. You can pick up your unit in her studio and she can install it for you, or you can order it online like so many of you guys have. You've reached out to me via Instagram or even in my other videos, and you guys have purchased some of her units before as well and have tagged me, and they look amazing on you. I can tell that they're super easy to install and all of that. So if you guys are interested, please make sure you check out TCC Hair. I will have everything linked down below. I'll also have this unit linked down below as well, which is called Autumn, and I'm obsessed. And ever since I've been posting this on my Instagram, everybody's like, this is your color, you need to keep this all summer long. And y'all know I'm an ash blonde girl, okay, but I usually like to do my ash blonde on the off season. Most people go blonde in the summer. I go blonde in the winter. I don't know why. I've always been like that. Just like I like to do braids in the winter and then I don't ever do them in the summertime. Weird. I don't know what's going on outside. But anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to come by and give you guys my final thoughts on this hair. As I said, I had wore the hair part in the middle for over a week and didn't have any issues, but when I realized I didn't have that clip, I had to remove that unit. And yeah, so the unit held up so well in the Atlanta heat. One thing I will say, when I was in Atlanta, the curls were not lasting. Granted, I did only take my huge barrel iron that you guys saw me curling the hair with in this video, but the curls were not lasting. But y'all, it was burning up. It was miserable in Atlanta, okay? Miserable. But I was super happy to go back to Atlanta because I haven't been in Atlanta in so long. And yeah, okay, it's been a very long time. I haven't been to Atlanta since pre-COVID, so that's kind of like a second home. I used to always be in Atlanta, so it was fun. You know, I caught the vibe, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the Atlanta vlog, and you'll see more of this unit throughout and see how it's behaving. So yep, stick around. So as I mentioned, all of my clips from Atlanta, you guys, were corrupt, and I am so sad because I literally took time to vlog the entire Atlanta little mini, you know, weekend getaway, and I know you guys would have loved it because I did a little bit of shopping and but I guess it wasn't meant to be. Can't cry over spilled milk. So I'm just gonna insert a few clips from the game, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, like a light, like a light. Slept through the flight. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, like a light, like a light, like a light. high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, like a light, like a light. Slept through the flight, out for the night. 767, man, this shit at the bedroom, man. I still got schools to settle, man. I cracked it down the block. Made a right, yeah. Cut the lights, pay the price, yeah. Niggas think it's sweet, it's on sight, yeah. Nothing nice, Vegas in my ice. She's in love with who I am.
Hey y'all, so we are at Posture right now. Music is going, so I won't be here long. But yeah, it is super packed here. I was not expecting. I thought we was gonna come in here and grab us a bite, girl. This is like the club. So we have to get a little section and get bottle service in order to be served. So we'll see how this goes.
Like a light, like a light, like a light, like a light.
Alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to check out the description box. I'll have everything that I can kind of think of that you guys may be interested linked down below. Also, don't forget to check out TCC Hair Studios because she's amazing. She has the most bomb wigs. They all come styled. I cannot reiterate that. Literally pull it out the bag and you're ready to go. It's washed, it smells good, it's like laid. You know what I'm saying? The unit's laid, girl. Okay, so yeah, I love it and I think you will too. So make sure to check out that description box. This unit that I have and her website itself will be linked down below. I'll also put her address down there as well, just in case you guys are in the Nashville area and you want to go get your hair done. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will talk to you on my next one. Bye y'all.